Hi everyone. Yesterday we officially opened the newly refurbished 3G facility in Aberfan. This site has been out of commission since 2020, but thanks to funding from Welsh Government, Sports Wales, the UK Shared Prosperity Fund and the Council, it's back in action for the community. It was a pleasure to welcome Jack Sargent MS, the Minister for Culture, Skills and Social Partnership, to do the official opening. It comes at a particularly poignant time as we approach the 60th anniversary of the Aberfan disaster. It was moving to see pupils from Wythnosol Primary School present a clogau commemorative badge to the Minister before they kicked off some rugby activities on the new pitch. This month marks LGBT History Month, a time to celebrate the achievements of the LGBTQ+ community and promote equality for all. To mark this, the Pride flag is flying proudly outside the Civic Centre. In other news, the Six Nations is finally here. I know many of you will be watching closely as Wales take on England in our first game tomorrow. It's set to be a huge match, and I'm sure the atmosphere across the county borough will be electric. To make sure everyone has a great time, our CCTV operatives will be working hard to keep supporters safe in our town centre throughout the tournament. Speaking of the town centre, I'd like to say a big thank you to the businesses who contribute to the Business Improvement District, also known as the BID, for their continued support of the town centre. We really appreciate you and all your efforts. That's all for this week's update. I hope you have a great weekend and I'll see you soon. Diolch.